We'll guide you through how to download YouTube videos to watch offline on the YouTube website. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the YouTube website, so perhaps you're planning on embarking on some travels, or there's another reason why you want to go and do this. But we can go and download YouTube videos to go and watch offline, to go and keep us entertained for whatever reason. This is really convenient because you may not have an internet connection, but you still want to go and have and watch YouTube videos. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide to exactly what you need to do and the steps you're going to need to take. So as you can see, we're currently on YouTube, and what we need to do is go and start finding the YouTube videos you want to do this with. You can do this with multiple as well. So then what you need to do is you need to go and start finding them. So you can go and search if I want on your homepage. I'm going to go and find a GuideRealm video. I'll click here. Let's say I want to do it with this video here. I'll go and click on it. I'll just go and pause it for now. Now what you need to do is you need to come and scroll down here. Now it's important to note for this to go and work, you do need to go and have something called YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a paid subscription to YouTube, and it means you can go and download videos to watch offline amongst other great benefits as well, like no ads. The easiest way to go and get it is to come to the address bar at the top where it says youtube.com/, go and move everything and just go and type in premium. As you can see, press enter and you're going to be brought here. So as you can see, you can get it. I'm being offered a trial here, but you may not be. And then what you can do is go and subscribe. You can go and see the costings down here. So after you subscribed, then what we can do is go and return to the YouTube video you want to go and do this with. So here we are, I want to do it with this video. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down beneath the video like so, and this can go and look different for different users and people I found. You may go and see a download button here. If you don't, press the three dots to the right and then you'll see download. And what you need to do is go and click there, and the video is now downloading, as you can see. Now you may be wondering, how can I now go and see this? Well, what I'm going to do is you need to come back to the YouTube homepage, and you can do this without an internet connection as well, by the way. And then what you need to do is go and press the three lines in the top left, and you can go down and find the option for downloads in the U section. Click there and you're able to go and see the videos you've got and downloaded, and you can access these without an internet connection, as long as your device has an active internet connection at least once every 30 days, which mine does. So that's it. You can then go and watch them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.